Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. This is a little short to share the chair I just finished with you all. The longer video is already posted. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm gonna have to pause my idea of sealing this chair this afternoon, at least until the kitten wakes up.